Henry Ruggs could find himself behind bars again after missing a breath test. His lawyers are also trying to question the fire department's response to that fiery crash that killed Tina Tintor and her dog after Ruggs slammed into them going over 150 miles per hour moments before the crash. Victoria Saha live in studio with a look at his bail conditions and how the breath test device works. Victoria.
Hey, Brian. When Ruggs was first released on bail, there were strict orders from the judge that he cannot miss a single one of his breath tests. Turns out he did. No alcohol, no drugs, and no driving are rules Ruggs cannot break if he wants to stay out of jail. Court documents say Ruggs has to test for alcohol 4 times a day using a handheld device. His attorney, David Chesnoff, says it hasn't always worked, failing once to alert Ruggs to take the test.
He's been dutiful, completely dutiful. He also self-tested shortly after the missed test.
However, the judge was notified Ruggs waited 36 minutes to take the test. We reached out to the maker of the device, Scram. The company says it's rare for a device to not alert a person. Chesnoff also asked the judge to subpoena the Clark County Fire Department for their records related to the crash. In a motion, Chesnoff claims the department waited 20 minutes before they started to extinguish the car fire. The Clark County Fire Department has continuously said they did their best considering the intensity of the scene.
They've got to hear the tones go off, get in the unit, and then travel time. So everything I've heard is that the fire was almost instantaneous. Bystanders tried to help, and then the fire, it got too much where they couldn't continue to try and help.
By missing his breath test, he did violate his terms of his bail. He will be facing the judge Monday morning to explain himself. Denise?